we can clean human waste as it's generated through our technology. And by cleaning the waste, we're generating useful electricity. So the project with Glastonbury is all about taking the technology out of the lab, scaling up the technology and putting it to the real test where people can use it and they can see for themselves what it can do. Glastonbury attracts about 250,000 people during the course of the festival. And we're going with a urinal which can accommodate about 40 people. We also have a smaller urinal, so we're going with 2 installations. The smaller installation, which would be by the interstage, will be demonstrating the lighting, the internal lighting, but also the fact that we could be charging mobile phones. The larger installation, which will be by the cider bus next to the pyramid stage, will be demonstrating what we could also be doing with electricity generated from the microbial fuel cells. And in this case, we have some smart displays which will be positioning around the urinal on the inside and also on the outside, displaying different messages, different stories that we may want to relate to the public, or the festival organizers may want to ask us to relate to the public. The examples that we showcase at Glastonbury are only a few examples of what we could be doing with electricity. And the scale of the technology helps us define the application that we can be driving or powering. So imagine that you're in a remote location with no infrastructure, there's no national grid, and there's no sewerage system. The microbial fuel cell can provide the treatment and cleanup of the human waste so it doesn't pollute the environment, and it can also give the electricity for lighting, for charging electronic devices, for sending important messages if that's required. And these are only some of the initial applications we have touched upon. There are wider applications in biosensing, in pathogen killing, in disinfection, which can also form part of the same technology.